thank you. I have for Taste of Snack Thursday, Punchy Punchy Art Candy, DIY, I believe is what it's called. I'll write it in the title what it's called or description. So what you'll need is your kit and some water. And I got mine from my Tokyo Treat. So let's see. Get in your kit a purple packet, a green packet, an orange packet, a blue packet, a red packet, your little squishy thingy, a little like art kit. So it looks like we get a turtle, a flower. Not sure what this is or this. So I'll probably do the turtle and then whatever comes up. And then our tray here and tray here. So basically it is serrated so you can separate them. Let's see. Our directions, if I can look at these. You can also find them on TokyoTreat.com in their archived instructions. So it looks like on here we are filling the star thing to the second line, I think. So you're going to fill this up to the second line. I don't know if you can tell, but there are kind of like two lines in here. You can either pour the water in or you can take your squeegee thingy and fill it. I think this takes longer, so maybe pouring in would be better. I think, okay. So now you're going to take your green packet and you are going to stick it in. Let me make sure that's correct. It's your green packet. In. And you're going to stir this up. Now you're going to take your liquid that you completely mixed with your green packet and you're going to evenly distribute it into your little holes here. Then you're going to refill up your star water thing, and you're going to fill our music notes first, up to the first line, I think. Yeah, up to the first line. I don't know. And then you are going to fill your powders into your holes. So that's not the purple one. So your blue one. Let's see, your orange one. So you're going to put your blue, your yellow, and red in. And now to mix your colors, you are going to mix yellow with blue, yellow with pink, and pink with blue, and put them in here to make different colors. So I'm doing the turtle for my first one. I know you can hardly see him, but he's right here. So the main color is green. So you're just going to suck it up and drop it into your thing. Now that you got your dots in, you're going to take the purple pack and you're going to sprinkle over these equally. And these are what they look like. I kind of admit I had the turtle when I did it, but I kind of shifted it so they all popped out of place, and the other one I just mixed all the colors because I wanted to use them all up instead of wasting them. So this is like a gummy. The back will still be kind of powdery if you didn't mix it all the way. It's kind of like a grape flavor, but then it's not as squishy as a gummy. Maybe I didn't. Here's the little ball things. Okay, so the ball things are more like a jelly, and this is like a really soft jelly. These have more flavor than the little white stuff, and then they pop in your mouth. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make this DIY kit. And I will be doing a Minions shake bottle thing in another video, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.